welcome back to the Schmitty750 YouTube channel. Today we have a Polaris Sportsman 570. I think it's a 2016, and we're going to be changing the belt on it. It has conveniently removed this belt for us. I think when I took the air cover box off, it was like shoved up into this hole right there. And then we have a new belt made by Gates. So that's going to be your part number there if you want to pause it and get your part number. And I'm going to have a link in the description where you can order this. And Gates is a pretty good belt. It's a little cheaper than the Polaris belt, but a good replacement for OEM. Alright, so you always want to make sure the numbers are out, or the writing is out. We'll put it on the primary. Get it started on the bottom of the secondary. You can see it here. And then just kind of turn it a little bit. Try not to get your fingers pinched. And then we got this little loop back here. We got to make sure it stays on as we rotate it around. I might have to get in the way of the camera a little bit. And I guess the goal is to not smash your fingers with the belt. See if I can get that screwdriver in there and pry it up and over. That's it. Get our screwdriver out. So basically all we did when it got started and the belt was kind of hanging over right here, I could shove the screwdriver up in there, pry up, and then it just popped it on. There you go, easy enough. And you already know you got to install your belt housing cover back. You got your little air tube here and an air tube here. They all have hose clamps. Here's our hose clamps. Make sure those all go back on and you should be good to go.